Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting pooper scooper episode of GB's Great Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of a box. I don't know. Do you know? Today, we're gonna start off by opening up a can of Carling beer. We'll do an uncanning, shall we? This is a triple episode. We're doing an uncanning, an unboxing, and we got a mail call. We'll be doing an unenveloping. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Woo! Num 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 num. All right. Today's box is blue and white and red. It's cardboard. It's 13 inches by 8 inches by 5 inches and weighs around 16 pounds. And it looks like this. Woo! 15 pack of Laker Lager, $24.95. About 6 years ago, Laker was $1 a beer. This would have been 15 bucks, eh? Maker of Laker, it's $1 a beer. Not anymore. But maybe it's not Laker. Maybe there's something else in there. Maybe there's like Coke or Sprite, or heaven forbid, that shitty stuff called Pepsi. Yeah, or maybe it's like got some other kind of beer in there. I don't know. Looks like this. Laker. Laker. Let's have a gander, shall we? Wee doggy! Look at that! Nice! Yeehaw! That's excitement. Guess what? They all are Laker Lager. Hot damn! Look at that, eh? Well, we better get some of these into the fucking fridge. Well, we'll put them all in the fridge. But the fridge is outside, so you can stay here for a moment. Yeah, Maker and Laker, bitches. But right now, let's have a swig of Carling. Chug a lug, doodlebug. Wasn't that exciting? All right, now let's do an unenveloping. Mail call. This showed up, a couple weeks ago. I knew what was in it, but Purple Heart came from USA. Uh-oh. One is stuck. Stuckaroo. Dun, 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 dun. Beer champ. There you go. Thanks, buddy. Right on. Go check out Beer Champ Barbecue. It's a good channel. Nice. One of these goes on the beer fridge. Woohoo! Thanks, brother. Nice. Cheers, big ears. RTFO. Until the next fine unboxing, which will probably take place in about 1 minute. Woo!